up, everybody? So I've been having a leaky turbo drain on my boosted Miata. So I've been fighting it for about a year now. And well, I haven't really been fighting it for a year. I'm just starting to work on it now in the last couple weeks. But it's been leaking this whole time, ever since it's been done. So anyway, I replaced the fittings. I thought it was the bung because after I did the fittings, it still was leaking. So I thought it was the actual bung going into the pan. So I just replaced that today. And then, as you're gonna see in the video, I was going and doing burnouts and donuts and all that stuff. So I was doing that just to make sure that everything was okay, because that's what you do, you know, you fix something, then you go abuse the car and make sure it's good. So that's what I was doing, and I just brought it back to the shop, and it's still leaking, and it's actually worse than it was before, because now it's coming out of the pan. So apparently I don't know how to Teflon things, because it's coming out of the pan now, and it looks like it's still coming out of the bushing, so I'm not sure what to do with that. But yeah, I haven't been able to figure this out. I don't know why it keeps leaking. It is bad though, because when I go down the freeway, it goes right onto the downpipe. You can't really see the downpipe back there, but it goes right into the downpipe. Smoke's really bad, and it's definitely a fire hazard. So 2 days ago, I bought a fire extinguisher in case it starts on fire. But up until that point, I figured if it burns down, it burns down. I'm kind of getting sick of this stupid thing leaking, which would suck because I do not have full coverage on the car. I just have comprehensive or whatever it's called. So if the car burned down, I'd be out all my money. So yeah, I'm trying to fix it and I still can't. So hope you guys enjoy the video. This is me abusing my car and making sure that it still works. And unfortunately, it still leaks.